Last lecture we had studied that odds in favor of the event E and odds against the event E. Now question number 108. The odds in favor of Sanya or Martina in a match is 2:3. Find whether the best of 2 out of 3 or best of 3 out of 5 give more edge for Sanya to win the series. So here our success is Sanya to win the series. Okay. So what is the probability of Sanya win the series? Or probability of Sanya win the match, not series. Probability of Sanya win the match is this probability for one match. Okay. So here odds in favor of Sanya over the Martina is 2:3. Odds in favor is 2:3. Means total outcomes are 2 plus 3 5, and that is the favorable outcomes. So probability of Sanya win the match is 2 upon 5. For one match, probability of that match will be win by Sanya is 2 upon 5. That is our success for one match. Now we have to find the best of 2 out of 3 or best of 3 out of 5 give more edge for Sanya for win the series. Means બેમાંથી સેમાં સાનિયાની જીતવાની probability વધારે છે. Out of 2 means means 2 out of 3 or a best of 3 out of 5. In which of these case the probability that Sanya will win the series is more, that we have to find. So for first case, so here for one match we can write P is equal to 2 by 5. P is 2 by 5, so Q is 1 minus 2 by 5, so that is 3 by 5. Now first case is best of 2 out of 3. Best of 2 out of 3. So here total number of matches are 3. Total we have to play 3 matches. So here N is equals to 3, P is 2 by 5, and Q is 3 by 5. Okay. So P of x is equals to x. We can write 3cx p raised to x q raised to 3 minus x. So that is 3cx 2 raised to x into 3 raised to 3 minus x upon 5 raised to 3. Now best of 2 out of 3 એમાં series કઈ રીતે જીતી શકે? Either 3 માંથી કોઈ 2 match સાનિયા win કરે then she can win the series, or 3 out of 3 matches she will win, then also she can win the series. Okay, so here we have to find the probability of p of x greater than or equal to 2. So that is equal to p of x is equals to 2 or p of x is equals to 3. So if your p of x is equals to 2, it is 3c2 into 2 square into 3 upon 5 cube. So 3c2 is 3, 2 square is 4 into 3 upon 5 cube. So that is equals to, plus x is equals to 3. Calculate that. So plus x is equals to 3 means 3c3 2 cube 3 raised to 0 upon 5 cube. So 3c2 is 3, 2 cube is 8 into 3 upon 125 plus 3c3 is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 raised to 0 is 1 upon 125. So answer is 125. And here 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 plus 8, that is 80. So it is 80 into 105. Next. Second case is best of 3 out of 5. Best of 3 out of 5. So here total number of matches are 5. P and Q remains the same. P is 2 by 5. Q is 3 by 5. So my binomial distribution is P of x is equals to x is equal to 5cx. Your n is 5. So 5cx into 2 by 5 raised to x into 3 by 5 raised to 5 minus x. So we can write 5cx 2 raised to x 3 raised to 5 minus x upon 5 raised to 5. તો જ્યારે આપણે 5 મેચेस બે વચ્ચેના 5 મેચेस પ્લે થતા હોય તો સિરીઝ કઈ રીતે જીતી શકે either series win 3 matches or 4 matches or 5 matches then she can win the series. So here we have to find the probability for E of x greater than or equal to 3, either 3 matches or 4 matches or 5 matches. Success is Sania win the match. So Sania 3 match जीते के 4 match जीते के 5 match जीते then she can win the series. Okay, so we have to find P of x greater than or equal to 3. Means we have to find P of x is equals to 3 plus x equal to 4 plus x equal to 5. So x equal to 3, 5c3 into 2 cube into 3 square upon 5 raised to 5. X equal to 4 means 5c4 raised to 4 3 raised to 1 upon 5 raised to 5 plus 5c5 2 raised to 5 3 raised to 0 upon 5 raised to 5. So 1 upon 5 raised to 5 common. 5c3 means 5 4 2 1. 5c3 means 5c2, so 5 into 4 into 1. 2 cube is 8, t square is 9 plus 5c4 means 5, 2 raised to 4 is 16 into 3 plus 5c5 is 1, 2 raised to 5 is 32. So that is 5 into 4 20, 20 into 4 80, 80 into 9 720 plus 6 into 5 80, 80 into 3 240 plus 32 upon 5 raised to 5. So that is equals to 720 plus 240, that is 960, 960 plus 32 992 upon 5 raised to 5, then 625 into 5, that is 3125. So we have to find 80 upon 125 is greater or 92 upon 3125 is greater. So what we will do? B na denominator same करना है, means multiply by 25 divide by 25. So 80 into 25. So 25 into 8, that is 200. 2 zeros, that is 2000 upon 3125. X is equals to 2, 3c2, 2 square 4, 4. Mistake there है. 3c2 is 3, 2 square is 4. So 4 into 3 12, 12 into 3 36, 36 plus 8 40 into 25. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 8 44. 44 into 25. So that is 880 plus 220 is 1100. Then also it is greater. So probability in best of 2 out of 3 match, best of 2 out of 3 series, Sania win the series is 1100 upon 3125. And in best of 3 out of 5, probability of Sania win the series is 992 upon 3125. Here, best of 2 out of 3, best of 2 out of 3 give more edge for Sania in the એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી વધારે છે બરાબર કે આ સિરીઝમાં સાનિયાની વિન થવાની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 1100 upon 3125 છે આ ટાઈપની સિરીઝમાં એની વિન થવાની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 992 upon 3125 છે so more probability is in this case, so it is favorable for Sania to play a series best of 2 out of 3 instead of best of 3 out of 3. Okay, next question, question number 109. A book is supposed to be one among mathematics or management. The cover page was squared so that only two letters M A are readable. આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવું જે ટુ લેટર વિઝિબલ આપ્યા છે ને તે શું કહેવાય કે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ લેટર હોય મીન્સ એવું નહીં કે પેલો લેટર એમ દેખાય છે ને લાસ્ટ લેટર એ દેખાય છે એમ બરાબર એક પછી એક આવતા બે લેટર હોય મીન્સ ફર્સ્ટ book is of mathematics તો કોઈ પણ બે લેટર જે વિઝિબલ હોય ને એ કેવા હોય જેમ કે કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ લેટર્સ આર ધેર આ એમ એ પછી એવું નહીં કે આ એમ અને આ એ રીતના વિઝિબલ હોય તો જ્યારે આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન હોય ને તો જે બે લેટર વિઝિબલ આપ્યો એ કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ હોય ઓકે so here there are two types of book one is mathematics and second one is of management ઓકે તો આપણે પહેલા હવે જે ક્વેશ્ચન આવશે એ બધા ક્વેશ્ચન એવું નહીં કે બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ના જશે આ મિક્સ ક્વેશ્ચન હશે ઓકે so let that event is e1 and that event is e2 mathematics book is selected or management book and event a is only two letters actually આપવું જોઈએ consecutive letters m a is visible okay so here p of e1 બે book ની probability equals so p of e1 is 1 by 2 p of e2 is 1 by 2 now p of a slash e1 means if first book is selected then what is the probability to consecutive letter are ma was visible or was readable question માં પૂછે જ વર્ડ લખવાનો ઓકે રીડેબલ હવે જો મેથેમેટિક્સ કોઈ પણ બે કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ લેટર્સ વિઝિબલ હોય તો ટોટલ કેટલા ટાઇપ્સ ની પોસિબિલિટી છે તો કે આ ફર્સ્ટ ટુ લેટર વિઝિબલ હોય ma or these two કેટલી પેર બને 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 there are total 10 consecutive pair 10 consecutive pair will be there ma or at or th or he or em or ma at ti ic and cs so total કેટલી પેર થઈ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 so total 10 pairs are there બે કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ લેટર 10 ટાઈપના પોસિબલ છે એમાં આપણે કયો લેટર આપણે ક્યાં બે કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ લેટર રીડેબલ છે તો કે ma તો ma કેટલી વખત છે તો one time here and second time here so probability of a slash e1 is 2 by 10 it's 1 by 5 similarly a slash e2 probability of a slash e2 so our second word is management તો અહીંયા બે કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ લેટર ની કેટલી પેર બનશે જોવો જી 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 total 9 pairs એમાંથી ma consecutive હોય એવી એક જ પેર so a slash e2 is 1 upon a slash e2 is 1 upon 9 now our question is ma was readable then probability that book is of mathematics means we have to find we know that ma was readable means a event થઈ ગઈ છે then that book is of mathematics the probability we have to find is e1 slash a so formula for that is e1 into a slash e1 upon p of a upon p of a means first we need to find is p of a so formula for p of a is e1 into a slash e1 plus e2 into a slash e2 so e1 is 1 half a slash e1 is 1 by 5 plus e2 is also 1 half a slash e2 is 1 by Okay, so 1 by 2 is common. If you break it 1 by 5 plus 1 by 9, so the same is 45. 9 plus 5 is 40. So now here, P of E1, open up, A slash E1, 1 by 5 upon P of A, 1 by 2 into 14 upon 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. 5 nines are 45. So answer is 9 upon. So answer is 9 upon 40. Okay. Next question is also similar type of this question. Question number 110. A parcel is expected to arrive from one among the places Delhi, Mahi, or Ludhiana. When the parcel was received, the address was spoiled and only HI was visible. Find the probability that parcel came from Delhi. Here three possibility. Parcel came from Delhi. So let E1 into E3. Parcel came from Delhi. Second, parcel came from Mahi. Third event is parcel came from Ludhiana. So here P of E1 1 by 3, either it came from Delhi or it came from Mahi or it came from Ludhiana. So all the three probabilities are equal. So it is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now our event is when the parcel was received, the address was spoiled and only HI are visible. Only HI was visible. So we read event A, only HI was visible. Whatever, HI are two consecutive letters. So now, what is P of A slash E1? That word is, sorry, parcel came from Delhi, that we know. Parcel came from Delhi, that we know. Then what is the probability that HI was visible? So here total pair are 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 pairs, either DE or EL or LH or HI. Out of that, HI pair is 1 and total pairs are 4. So A slash E1 is 1 by 4. A slash E2. Second word is Mahi. So here number of pairs are 3. Either it is MA or AH or HI. Means total number of pairs are 3. And HI is 1. So 1 by 3. And A slash E3. That is Ludhiana. So total pairs are LU or UD or DH or HI, IA, AN, NA. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 pairs are there. Out of that, HI is 1. So that probability is 1 by 7. So first, what we will find? We will find first P of A. So P of A is P of E1 into A slash E1 plus E2 into A slash E2 plus E3 into A slash. So E1 is 1 by 3, A slash E1 is 1 by 4, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into. So 1 by 3 common, into the bracket 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into LCM is 4 into 3 into 7. So in numerator it is 21 plus 28 plus 12. And that is equal to 28 plus 12, that is 40. 40 plus 21, that is 61 upon 4 into 4 into 3 into 7. Multiplication हमने नहीं करता, हमारा cancel 3 just. Now our question is, we know that HI was visible, means A event has already occurred, and we have to find that parcel came from Delhi. means probability of E1 slash A we have to find. So formula for that is E1 into A slash E1 upon P of A. So here E1 is 1 by 3, A slash E1 is 1 by 4 divided by P of A is 61 upon 3 into 4 into, sorry, it is 1 by 3. 3 into 4 into 3 into 7. So 3 into 4, 3 into 4 cancel. So answer is 21 upon 61. Answer is 21 upon 61. Clear? B question similar type na jada. Next question 111. Homework mark. Easy is a question. That 11 is homework. 112. A couple has two children. Find the probability that both of them are boys. If it is known that at least one of them is a boy. Girls, if it is known that elder one is a boy. Couple has two children. So here sample spaces. Now it is of type of question number 13.1. 13.1 exercise में जे type ना question मिला ना ये type का question है. So that is BB, BG, GB or GG. That is sample space means both are boys. BB, boy girl, girl boy and girl girl. Now here we will assume that if first one is elder, means in this case B, B, G and G are elder one, and second one is younger. B in this case B is younger. Here G is younger, here B is younger, here G is younger. Okay. So first is elder and second one is younger. કોઈ પણ લઈ શકો કે ફર્સ્ટ યંગર સેકન્ડ એલ્ડર પણ બધામાં સેમ લેવાય. ઓકે જે ફર્સ્ટ માટે લ્યો એ સેકન્ડ માટે એ થર્ડ માટે અને એ ફોર્થ માટે. Now first question is we have to find the probability of that both are boys if it is known that at least one of them is boy. So here A and B will be any probability આપણે generally find કરવાની અને A કહી છે. So here A event is both are boys. આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન મેં હોમવર્ક માં આપ્યું હતું ત્યારે અમુકના ડાઉટ આવ્યા હતા. અત્યારે જેને ડાઉટ હોય વ્યવસ્થિત સમજી લેજો. And it is known that at least one of them is boy. That is your event B. At least one of them is okay. So here in event A there is only one element, that is BB. And in event B there are three elements, at least one of them is boy means BB or BG or GB. And here we need to find is P of A slash B. So formula for P of A slash B is P of A intersection B upon P of B. Okay. So here P of B is 3 by 4. There are three elements in event B and total elements are 4. So P of B is 3 by 4. And A intersection B. A intersection B is BB. So probability of A intersection B is 1 by 4. So here answer is 1 by 4 upon 3 by 4. So that is 1 by 3. First one is easier. Mostly second માં બધાને problem થાય છે. Second is question number 2. Let event E, event F. We have to find the probability that both are girls. It is known that elder one is boy. So event E is both are girls. Okay. And given is elder one is boy. Elder one is boy. Okay. So here in event E How many elements are there? Only one element, that is GG. Both are girls. And we have to find if it is known that elder one is boy. It is known that elder one is boy. So elder one is boy is in how much? How many cases? BB and BG. Here there is a mistake in question. Printing mistake. Elder one is a girl karna. Elder one is a girl. Okay. Printing mistake છે elder one is a boy છે ને એની જગ્યાએ elder one is a girl કરી નાખજો. So event F. Elder one is girl. Here BG, but girl is younger. So there are two elements, that is GB and GG. My elder one is girl. That is GB and GG. So E intersection F is GG. E intersection F is GG. P of F is 2 by 4. And P of E intersection F is 1 by 4. Here we have to find P of E slash F. Elder one is girl is given. Then what is the probability that both are girls? Means P of E intersection F upon P of F. So E intersection F is 1 by 4. P of F is 2 by 4. For answer. So answer is 1 upon 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Next question 130. Suppose that 5% of the men and 0.25% of the women have gray hair. A gray-haired person is selected at random. What is the probability that a person is male given that there are equal number of men and women? So here again it is a question of Bayes theorem. So mainly two events, E1 and E2 is person is man and person is woman. Person is male. Person is equal probability. So P of E1 is 1 half as well as P of E2 is 1 half. Now let event A is person has gray hair. Person has gray hair. Okay. So P of A slash even means even event has already occurred. We know that selected person is a male. Selected person is a male. Then probability that it has gray hair, he has gray hair is 5%. So that is 5 upon A slash E2 when selected person is woman and the probability that she has gray hair is 0.25%. So that is 0.25 upon 100. 0.25 upon 100. Now we have to find what is the probability that person is male given that there are what is the probability that a selected person, a gray haired person is selected at random. Means event A has already occurred. Event A has already occurred. We have to find the probability of even selected person is a male. After finding the one, so for that first required is P of A. First we will find P of A. So P of A is E1 into A slash E1 plus E2 into C2. So P of E1 is 1 half, A slash E1 is 5 upon 100 plus E2 is 1 half, A slash E2 is 0.25 upon 100. 1 by 2, so that is 5 plus 0.25, 525 upon 2 into 5.25 into 2 upon 100. Now here we have to find gray haired person is selected, that we know means event is already occurred and probability that it is a male, he is a male. So E1 slash A, so formula for that is E1 to A slash E1 upon P of A. So E1 is 1 half, that is 5 upon 100 upon A2 is 5.25 upon 100. 2 into 100, sorry, 2 to cancel, 100 cancel. So 5 upon 5 by 25 is 500 upon 525. So 25 into 20, 25 into 21. Answer is 20 upon. Okay. Thank you.